Do you ever wonder why, despite working hard every single day, you still feel like your paycheck isn't enough? It's a question many ask, but few really answer. The truth is, most people don't realize they're trapped in habits that prevent them from building wealth, even though they're putting in the hours. So, what's the secret to unlocking financial success like the top 1%? Is it about earning more, working harder, or something else entirely? Well, today, we're diving into 10 powerful strategies used by the wealthiest investors that most people don't know about. Let's get started. 1. Tracking your income and spending. The first strategy is one that most people overlook. Tracking every dollar. The wealthiest investors don't simply guess how much they spend. They track everything, meticulously noting down their income and every expense. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds like a hassle, but here's the thing. Without knowing exactly where your money goes, you can't make intentional decisions about saving and investing. So, the first step to wealth is being aware. You don't need fancy software. A simple spreadsheet or an app like Mint or a NAB. You need a budget will do the trick. The goal here isn't just a track for tracking's sake, but to find patterns in your spending that could be better aligned with your financial goals. By tracking your income and spending, you create a clear picture where your money is really going. This insight is your first step to freeing up extra funds that you can put toward building wealth. 2. Prioritize saving and investing. Next up is prioritizing saving and investing. You've heard it before, but the richest people don't just spend. They save and invest their earnings wisely. This isn't just about putting money aside. It's about making your money work for you. A critical mistake that many people make is focusing solely on saving and forgetting to invest. Saving is important, but investing is what accelerates wealth. Whether it's putting money into index funds, buying stocks, or investing in real estate, consistently contributing to investments builds wealth over time. Start small. Even if you can only invest a small percentage of your income, the key is consistency. Over time, the power of compound interest will help your money grow faster than you think. The wealthiest individuals know that each dollar saved and invested is like a seed. They don't just collect them. They plant them to grow their future. 3. Keep debt in check. The third strategy is avoiding high-interest debt and keeping credit under control. While some debt, like a mortgage or a student loan, can be part of building wealth, high-interest debt, particularly from credit cards, is a wealth killer. The top 1% avoid falling into the trap of carrying credit card balances. The interest on that debt eats away at your wealth over time. So, how do you keep it in check? Simple. Pay off your balances in full every month and avoid accumulating unnecessary debt. By making strategic use of credit, paying it off regularly, and using it for things that build your wealth, you ensure your financial health is never compromised by interest payments that only benefit lenders. The rich know that managing debt wisely is a cornerstone of their wealth strategy. 4. Automate your financial habits. One of the smartest moves the wealthiest people make is automating their finances. Think about it. The less you have to think about your money, the more time and energy you can focus on growing it. Setting up automatic transfers to your savings, investments, or even your emergency fund ensures that you're building wealth consistently without any effort. You can automate payments for bills, contributions to retirement accounts, and even investment purchases. The best part? Automation makes it easy to pay yourself first before any temptation or impulse spending kicks in. By setting up automatic deductions from your paycheck, you're ensuring that a percentage of your income is being invested or saved without you having to actively manage it every month. This system works on autopilot, helping you grow your wealth quietly. 5. Invest for the long term. The fifth strategy is thinking long term. Building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. The top 1% know this. That's why they focus on long-term investments like index funds and real estate that provide steady, reliable returns over time. When you're looking to build wealth, it's essential to think about investments that will appreciate and generate returns over time. The key here is patience. Compound growth takes time. It's not about timing the market or looking for the next big thing. It's about putting your money into investments that will steadily grow and paying attention to the long-term trend. A good rule of thumb: time in the market beats timing the market. Instead of obsessing over short-term fluctuations, Focus on long-term growth and keep your investments on course. 6. Diversify your portfolio. Next is diversification. The wealthiest individuals spread their investments across different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate, and sometimes even alternative investments like private equity or venture capital. Why? Because diversification reduces risk. If one asset class takes a hit, your other investments can help buffer that loss. A well-diversified portfolio provides stability and maximizes your chances of long-term success. By building a diverse portfolio, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. And while you don't need to be an expert, it's smart to seek guidance from financial advisors or do your own research to ensure your investments cover a broad range of industries and asset classes. 7. Live below your means. Living below your means is a habit that might sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful habits of wealthy people. The top 1% avoid the temptation to overspend or to live beyond their means. They understand that true wealth doesn't come from flashy cars or designer clothes. It comes from controlling their spending and investing wisely. Even as their income increases, they don't upgrade their lifestyle in a way that outpaces their wealth. Instead, they focus on keeping their expenses in check and saving the difference. The money they save is then directed into investments that grow their wealth. By living below your means, you allow your wealth to grow steadily, without the distraction of unnecessary expenses. It's the foundation of financial freedom. 8. Build multiple streams of income. The 8th strategy is building multiple streams of income. The top 1% don't rely on just one income source. They diversify their income streams. This could include a combination of salary, side businesses, investments, or passive income like royalties and dividends. Having multiple streams of income provides a safety net. If one income source dries up, you have others to fall back on. This approach not only accelerates your wealth-building process, but also ensures you're not relying too heavily on any single source. Consider starting a side hustle, investing in rental properties, or creating passive income streams like online courses or blogs. The wealthiest individuals know that the more income streams they have, the more opportunities they have to grow their wealth. 9. Network with successful individuals. The 9th strategy is networking with like-minded individuals. The wealthiest people don't just build wealth alone. They surround themselves with other successful individuals who challenge and inspire them. Networking isn't about exploiting others. It's about forming genuine relationships with people who share your financial goals. Whether it's attending events, joining communities, or seeking mentorship, the connections you build will provide valuable insights and opportunities that can help you reach your financial goals faster. Surround yourself with individuals who push you to think bigger and take action on your goals. As you do this, you'll find that wealth building becomes easier with the right support network around you. 10. Practice patience and consistency. And finally, practice patience and consistency. Wealth building takes time, and those who succeed are the ones who stick with their plan, even when progress seems slow. The top 1% know that building lasting wealth isn't about making quick money. It's about making smart, consistent decisions over time. Whether it's investing regularly, sticking to a budget, or continuing to educate themselves, they stay focused on the long-term goal. Wealth building is a journey, not a destination. So, stay patient, stay disciplined, and remember that every small action today leads to a bigger payoff tomorrow. And there you have it, 10 wealth-building strategies used by the top 1% of investors. These habits aren't secret or exclusive. They're just simple, actionable principles that anyone can follow. If you implement these strategies in your life, you'll be well on your way to achieving financial success. If you found value in these tips, be sure to like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more on personal finance and wealth-building strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.